My name is Jason Harrison. I'm the Assistant Project Manager here at Stronghold Products. Primarily I deal with drawing new custom orders that customers will call in with, followed all the way through to when it is taken to the shop floor for production. A customer calls in with a custom request. Once they've gotten with our sales team and they've kind of put together a quote, from there we read over the quote, look over any extra information that we might have to try to build that product exactly the way that they want it. We've got a highly skilled staff of engineers that know what works and what doesn't work. Not only can we just take what you think might work for you, but we can offer you solutions to those ideas and help steer you to something that's more usable, more value-minded. I like what we send to the customers. I feel like when they get their product that they enjoy it, that it's not only useful, but it's something that they're actually happy that they purchased. This is what we do. We're here to help. This is what we want to do. Whatever need you have for your material handling or your storage solutions, don't be afraid to give Stronghold an opportunity to find that perfect fit for you.